Hello, welcome to my Gambian kitchen. Today I am gonna be making chicken yassa, a very yummy chicken yassa. Please stay tuned. I have my chicken already cleaned, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my green seasoning. I'm just gonna add some additional spices to it, and I'm gonna use that to marinate my chicken. Just added some lemon pepper, some Maggi, black pepper, mustard, some garlic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix everything together, and I'm gonna use 3/4 of it to marinate my chicken, and I'll keep the quarter for later to marinate my onions. After 45 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and grill my chicken. When grilling it, I like to put few slices of onions on top of it just to infuse the chicken. And I added some of my liquid smoke to give it a smoky feel. And it's gonna grill on each side 20 minutes. Whilst the chicken is in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my very juicy sausage in chunks, and then I'm gonna give them a golden color. I'm gonna lightly fry it in my saucepan, and I'm gonna use the same saucepan with the leftover oil to cook the yassa. With yassa, I don't use a lot of oil, just a little bit. So whilst that's frying, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my onions. I'm doing the ring shape, so I'm just gonna season it, then add some of the green seasoning mixture with some mustard, and set that aside. And I'm also gonna go ahead and cut my peppers. I have the orange bell pepper, the red bell pepper, and I have some jalapenos too. In the same saucepan, I'm gonna go ahead and put half of my onions mixture, just onions with my jalapenos and different peppers. And I put some habanero peppers too. So I'm just gonna put that and just keep stirring it for at least 10 minutes. That's basically the base. Then in few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken. When adding the chicken, I'm gonna add the chicken with the onions that I put on top of the chicken to grill it. So that's gonna give it a really nice flavor. At this point, do a salt test to make sure your salt level is good. And if you need to add more spices, go ahead and do that at this point. I just added some black pepper. I usually wait to the end to add black pepper. And if you need to add more habanero pepper or carne sauce or cayenne, go ahead and do that at this point. And just stir it. Now it is on low heat. At this point, I'm almost done. I went ahead and added my olives. You can use green or black olives. I prefer black olives. And also I added my onions, my cocktail onions, which does not require any cooking at all. So I'm almost at the finish line. It's smelling super good. Done now, looking so good, smelling so good. This day I couldn't decide whether to eat it with rice or couscous, so I just have it half and half. You can enjoy it with only rice or couscous. It doesn't matter. It's so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you try this recipe. Let me know what you think. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.